So we have a family project going, so I thought I'd make a video about it because we want to remember it. During all this craziness, we need a project ASAP. So we decided we're gonna make a garden, and I'm so excited about it. I've spent the morning figuring out what we're planting and like making a little plan of what we're gonna do. So hang with us and I'll show you our little process of how we're making a garden. Doing a great job helping.
This one went to meet Jesus. Oh no, it's moving.
It's about to go meet Jesus.
See, it's covered in dirt. See, moving though. Oops.
Whoa! Wait. That manpower. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I want to show this. We found this like netting, which makes us think that there maybe was a garden here already. Oh, babe.
No, they usually, when they bury a dead body,
Oh, God.
covered with netting, so like little animals, like squirrels, can't get down there.
Grody.
So the
What would
deeper
you do if we just found a dead body right now? I didn't even cross it until just now.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Stop. All right, can you help me?
Okay, mama.
Put a hole right there. I get a little pinch of it. Put him in the hole. Hey, good job. Thank you.
I know.
Here's the finished product. Doesn't look like much, but it was a lot of work.
Yeah!
Yeah. How you feel?
Yay.
I'll ask you tomorrow how you feel. You wanna come help me?
Pepper.
Peppers, that's right.
See?
Ah,
There's kiwi.
this cutie.
Hello! Stay upright.
Hey guys, I just wanted to wrap up this video with an entry in my prayer journal that I just have made out of a traveler's notebook. You can get them for really cheap at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This is only my second entry in this journal, but I'm finding it really calming and peaceful and just a way to be able to document my communications with God, and it's just really an easy place for me. I love scripture journaling, but that takes a little more effort because I've got to study, and that's great too, but I'm finding this really relaxing because I can just kind of write what's in my heart and be creative with it, and I really, really love it. So today I'm kind of making some parallels between what's going on in life and our wonderful garden that we've started. So when you're planting a garden, there are lots of things you have to do to prepare, right? You have to take all the weeds out. In our case, it was a lot of grass. You have to till up the ground. You have to loosen up the dirt. You have to do a lot of shoveling and a lot of hard work. I mean, you have to create an environment where life can grow. And if I planted those seeds in the same spot without doing any of the work, their chances of thriving would probably decrease by a lot. But because I prepared that earth and because we put in that work, I think they have a decent shot at growing and thriving. And in a lot of ways, I feel like that's kind of how life is right now. We are in the middle of this coronavirus pandemic. We are all going into quarantine, and it's really causing us to reevaluate our lives, to realize how prepared or unprepared we may be. It's causing us to be with our families, create those bonds, and I think we're all doing a lot more metaphorical weeding in our lives than we realize. We're realizing what truly is important. We're realizing the things that we really should be focusing on. It may make you really scrutinize your life and realize, hey, I need to work on some things, or maybe showing you that you really are good at certain things. Maybe it's helping you to really see what you are good at, and it's helping you show up in ways that you probably never would have if this would not have happened. I don't know about anyone else, but for me, I've had good days and I've had bad days through this. I've had some days, like when we planted the garden, I felt really good. I felt really productive, and I felt like we were using our time really well. And I just felt good about it. And then about 2 days after that, David went to work, and I was worried about that, and I felt overwhelmed, and I had a really bad day. So if that's how you felt too, you're definitely not alone. This has been a really weird experience, I think, for all of us, and it's kind of turned our worlds upside down a little bit. And just give yourself grace and realize that your life has changed, and it's okay to have good days and bad days. I'm grateful for this opportunity to weed my life, to pull out the things that are not serving me, to nurture the things that will serve me and my family and prepare us for the future. And just like anything else in my life, I'm gonna try and find the sweet parts in this very sour experience. More than ever, I feel God with me. I feel Him around us. I feel Him strengthening us. And so, with that said, I want to leave you with my prayer that I've written in this entry, and it goes like this. Father, make new, fresh things grow. I will provide the diligence, work, and I will endure to the end. I believe in your ability to create beautiful things from nothing and to do a great work through your children. Lord, let me be your hands. Friends, don't forget that God's here. He's here with you. He's helping you through this. He's there to offer help when you need it. All you have to do is reach out for Him. So be kind, look for ways to serve and help others, and have an amazing week. I love you all. Until next time, bye-bye.